Target markets and segmentations. A target market is a particular group of consumers at which a product, a brand, or service is aimed. All target markets must be substantial, meaning they are important and a brand can profit from them. They also must be accessible. That means we're able to reach them. Can we get the ads to our target market? So you don't want to target, let's say, 65 and older individuals on Instagram because that's not where they are. So they need to be accessible so that you can reach them. They have to be responsive. So, meaning they're open to suggestions. You can persuade them or they will consider it. And then you have segmentation. This is the process of defining and subdividing the target into smaller segments that share common characteristics. So we're going to talk about 4 of the most common segmentations for target market. So the first one is demographics. So demographic segmentation is used in selecting target segments based on descriptors like age, gender, race, marital status, things of that nature. If an advertiser knows the demographics of their target segment, choosing the media to reach them is much easier. Demographic categories are frequently used as a starting point in market segmentation. The second type of segmentation is geographics. Geographic segmentation may be conducted within a country. It could be by region, state, city, or even by neighborhood. The reason why this is important because a climate can make a big difference in consumption by region. So like products like snow tires, you wouldn't sell in California, or surfboards that you wouldn't sell in Alaska. And not so obvious things like eating, how you prepare your food, entertainment preferences, and recreational activities and other aspects of lifestyle. You also have PRISMs, which stands for Potential Rating Index by Zip Code Marketing. PRISMs identifies 62 market segments that encompass all the zip codes in the United States. This information is gathered and created using the U.S. Census Bureau. Here is a PRISM result for Harrisonburg with the zip code 22802. As you can see, it lets you know the population by age, the household income, you have nationalities, and then on the right side, you have the most common segments for the zip code 22802. So you have 35 boomtown singles. This is a name that is given for these type of people. Often segments are given names. And then you have golden ponds, downscale, mature, without kids, and so on. So you can go to the PRISM website if you are looking for geographics and put in what you're looking for by zip code, country, or what have you. The third segmentation is psychographic and lifestyles. This can be confusing sometimes, so make sure you pay attention closely. Psychographics is a form of research that emphasizes the understanding of consumers' activities, their interests, and their opinions. This is known as the AIOs. A person's opinions, interests, and activities are their lifestyle. So lifestyle is equivalent to psychographics. AIOs produce insights into differences in the lifestyles of various segments, which result in lifestyle segmentation. Knowing details about the lifestyle of a target segment can be very valuable for creating advertising messages that rings true to the consumer. Vowels are used in psychographic segmentation. Vowels are values in lifestyles, and they measure how an individual expresses themselves in the marketplace. The fourth segmentation is behavior. This is the way we go through the decision-making process when we're buying. This can be further broken down into commitment, usage, patterns. So for example, heavy users are the cream of the crop for advertisement. This is high volume purchasers, and they buy very often. They are also heavily persuaded by all competitors. Non-users, particularly of a product category, not necessarily of a brand, offer the lowest level of opportunity compared to other groups. Brand loyal users are a tremendous asset if they are the advertiser's consumer, but they are difficult to convert if they are loyal to the competitor. And then you have switchers or variety seekers. They often buy what is on sale or choose brands that offer discounts, coupons, and other price incentives. They are an expensive segment to try to win. You can get their business and then it disappears just as quickly as you got it. Emergent consumers is a gradual but constant influx of first-time buyers. Point of entry marketing is a phrase used to describe advertising campaigns used to win over first-time users. Another area of breaking down behavior is by benefits. Targeted segments are separated by the benefit packages that different consumers want from the same product category. So for example, with cars, some consumers want economical and reliable transportation. Others may want speed and excitement, while others may be looking for luxury, comfort, and prestige. So here's an example of a car ad that represents the behavioral benefits segmentation.
The champagne glasses may seem familiar, but you've never seen a car virtually park itself. The new LS, unprecedented.
So think about the benefits of this brand based on the ad. It could be convenience, it could be safety, it could be even pleasure. But this is an example of focusing on behavioral benefits of a target market. So there you have it, target market and segmentations. This is the first part of your creative strategy brief, is breaking down your target, creating a persona, breaking down demographics, geographics, psychographics, behavior, and vowels.